Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us Charizard crewmate skin. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Among Us Charizard, we're going to begin with the face shield. We're going to start right here. We just want to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down at an angle. Next, I want to connect these two lines. We'll do that by drawing a little line that goes down and then comes right to here. Once we're done with that, we're going to start right here and we're going to draw a line that's going to come down just a little bit. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to go over. Now, starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up to start the top of the head. Then we're going to bring this over. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to go down, and then it's going to come back here for the first horn. We want to make another one over here, so we're going to draw another line that's going to go up. It's going to go down, and then it's going to come back. Our next step is to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to go over and up. Then we'll draw a little line that comes across. And we don't want to start right at the end. We're going to start in here a little bit, and we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We'll go over again. And then we want to bring it right up to here with the mouth, or we can just draw the line down. That'll be a little easier. Now in here, I'm going to add a few teeth for our Charizard Among Us crewmate. So we'll add some teeth on the top and some teeth on the bottom. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. We're going to add a little line that goes over and down. Then we'll draw a little line that's just going to come down, and it's going to go back up. Then we'll draw a little line that goes down and over. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and then over. Then we're going to draw a little line starting here. It's going to go up or over and down. It's going to come down here and then over for the pack. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to make it nice and skinny at the end, and then we're going to bring it all the way back to here for the tail. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to be kind of wavy, and we're going to come down. I'm going to go back up, and we're just going to make it wavy down here again for the fire at the end of the tail. Now, starting here, we're going to add the other wing. So I'm going to begin right here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to come down, and we're just going to go up and then back over here. We're going to draw a line that's going to go up and down, and then it's going to go up and come over to here. I'm going to add a little line inside each wing for some detail. And then starting right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to go over and down for some little detail on the stomach. And now the final thing is we just want to add a little bit of fire. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a little wavy line And we're just going to make some kind of wavy, pointy lines for a little bit of fire. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Charizard Among Us crewmate skin, or even an imposter skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.